What I have for you today is a DocV number 8 challenge lock. The lock does not have a key, so we will have to pick it to take a look, see what's inside. I will be using pin side tension, and I will be using a homemade pick to start with a handle that's fallen off. Straight in looking for a binder. 1's loose, 2's loose, 3's loose. There may have been a little click out of 3. And again. 1's loose, 2's loose, 3's loose, 4's binding. Got a little bit of a false set going. Back to pin 1, loose. 2, I had a little click out of 2 there. Pin 5. I think I might have overset that, so I'll let loose a bit. There. Click out of 1. 2's loose. Click out of pin 3. Even deeper false set. Click out of 5. Click out of 4. That went off the warden now. That was pin 3. 2 solid, 1 solid, sorry about that. 2 feels loose. Pin 4. That was pin 3. 1 still solid. 2 doesn't seem like it's moving anymore. Let's click out of 2. Nothing's really giving any feedback now. I think that's pin 4, counter rotation. I think we've got a little click out of 4, click out of 5, and we've gone into quite a deep false set. Oh, I thought we had an open there, it's gone into an even deeper false set. I don't know which pin I touched on there to get that. And I got to this stage before, and this pick will not get the counter rotation at the back. So we'll give it a go with a Sparrow's deep hook, I think it is. I don't really use this pick, that's why it's not really finished that well. I feel it on pin 6. 1 click. And 2 clicks on pin 6 there. And we do have an open. So that pick got right in there, just because this one just didn't have the depth on it for it. So absolutely brilliant. It's a great little challenge lock. Again, this one was sent to me by Andy from the UK Locksport Forum. So thank you very much for this one as well, Andy. And I haven't heard much about the person who's made this lock, so unless he made it a long while back. I don't know who this DocV is, but it's a very nice challenge lock. And I will shim it as it is a challenge lock, if I can get the shim in. Pins up there. As you can see, they all needed to be picked, but I don't think there's anything nope, there's nothing done to any of the chambers there. We'll dump them out and we'll take a look after we've got them all out. Standard, 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 and a standard. You can see why that other pick wouldn't get that out, how far down it is in there. So all the weirdness must be upstairs. That looks like a very deep spool, which I didn't really get that, I don't think, from pin 1. A homemade spool with a very sharp edge on that. Two steel springs so far. See if I can get that to focus. Very nice. Sort of a double spool. One second, that looks like a bit of weirdness right there. Very slight serrations in that there, with a deep spool element on it. Very nice. See if we can get the spring out. There it is. All the same springs so far. See if I can go from the back. That's a very nice sort of spool with a serration in that end there. We went that way, and I've just dropped that pin there, and that is, looks like a commercial spool been adapted at the bottom there. Very nice work, and assuming all both springs are the same. Yep. There you are. So there you have it. A nice lock with some very nice little pins with a little bit of weirdness going on there. So thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.